Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss inverse of matrix by adjoint method. Previously, we have seen inverse by using row transformations. Okay. Now this is inverse of matrix by adjoint method. First, adjoint of matrix. Adjoint of a square matrix is the transpose of matrix formed by the cofactors of elements of determinant. Adjoint of a square matrix is transpose. Transpose means we have to interchange row and column, okay, of matrix formed by cofactors of elements of that matrix or determinant. First, we have to replace the matrix by corresponding cofactor of the element and then take the transpose of that matrix. Transpose means convert row to column and column to row. Adjoint of matrix A is denoted by ADJ of A, means adjoint of A. Now, to obtain adjoint of a matrix, proceed by following steps. First, find cofactor of each element of matrix. To find cofactor, first we have to find minors. Okay, so in first step we have to find cofactor of each element. In second, write down matrix of cofactors. Matrix of cofactor means in original matrix replace the element by its cofactor. Third, adjoint of matrix is transpose of matrix of cofactors. Now, adjoint is transpose of matrix of cofactors. Transpose means interchange row and column of matrix of cofactors. Now, inverse of matrix. The inverse of square matrix capital A is denoted by A raised to minus 1 is A inverse. Okay. If it is B, then B raised to minus 1 is B inverse. What is the property of A inverse? A into A inverse is identity. Okay. Now, formula for A inverse is A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. That is, to find inverse, first we have to calculate determinant. Okay. Now, to obtain the inverse of matrix by adjoint method, first step, find the value of determinant of A. First we have to find the value of determinant. Then find cofactor of each element of matrix. Then we have to find cofactor of each element. Then write down matrix of cofactors. Then adjoint. Adjoint means transpose of matrix of cofactors. And after finding the adjoint, use formula for A inverse, this. Now you have calculated adjoint and determinant. Substitute that values in this formula, then you will get the value of A inverse. Okay. So we will see a 2 by 2 matrix. Find the inverse of this matrix by adjoint method. So by adjoint method we are going to find the inverse. So first we have to find minors and cofactors and determinant of that matrix. Now, first, let A is equal to that matrix. Consider determinant of A is equal to cross multiplication, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, minus 3 into 5 minus 15. So minus 2 minus 15 means minus 2 plus 15. Minus 2 plus 15 is 13. Okay, so determinant is 13, that is not equal to 0. So A inverse exists. We know A inverse exists if and only if the given square matrix is non-singular, means its determinant is not equal to 0. Now we have to calculate minors and cofactors. So find minors and cofactors of elements of this matrix. So minor of A11, first element A11, delete row and column, so 2. So minor M11 is 2. Now A11, cofactor of A11, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11, minor of 11. So M11 is 2 and minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 is even number. So minus 1 raised to even is plus. So plus 2. So cofactor of A11 is 2. Now second, 1 2, M12, first row, second element. So this element, delete row and column, so it is minus 3. Cofactor of A12, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into M12. M12, minor of 12 is minus 3. 1 plus 2, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. So minus 1 raised to 3. 3 is odd. So minus 1 raised to odd number is minus. So minus minus become plus. So it is plus 3. Similarly, we can find minors of 2 1, cofactor of 2 1, minor of A22 and cofactor of A22. Then we have to write matrix of cofactors. See, we have to replace the element by its cofactor. Now A11, first cofactor is 2. So 1 1 2, 1 2 3, 2 1 minus 5, 2 2 minus 1. So we have replaced that element by its cofactor. Now adjoint means, adjoint is transpose of this matrix. Transpose means interchange row and column. So 2 3 is row, here it is column. Minus 5 minus 1 row, convert it to column. Minus 5 minus 1, this is transpose. Okay, so adjoint is transpose of matrix of cofactors. So this is adjoint. Okay, now A inverse. A inverse, we have to find the inverse, no? So A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A, formula of A inverse. Now take the values. Determinant of A, determinant is 13, so it is 1 upon 13 into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is this, 2 minus 5, 3 minus 1. So 1 by 13. Keep it as it is, or you can multiply this factor 1 by 13 to each element of the matrix. Okay. Now this is about 2 by 2 matrix. Now 3 by 3 matrix. How to find the inverse of 3 by 3 matrix? By adjoint method. Okay. By adjoint. Okay. Now first we have to find determinant. Okay. Now consider determinant of that matrix, 1 into this. Okay, so find the determinant first. Now so determinant is minus 1, not equal to 0, therefore A inverse exists. Okay. Now after this we have to find minors and cofactors. Okay, so So minor of M11, first row, first element, this minor of A11. Delete row and column of this. So A11 is 1 5. See, delete row and column 1 5 4 7. Take the determinant. 7 into 1 is 7. 4 5 are 20 minus 13. Cofactor. Cofactor A11 is equal to cofactor of A11 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11. M11 is minus 13. Okay. Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So minus 1 raised to 2 is 2 means even number. So minus 1 raised to even is plus. So it is plus. Answer of this is plus, and minor is minus 13. So plus into minus is minus, so minus 13. Okay. Now 1 2 M12, this element, delete column and row. So 1 5 2 7. See, 1 5 2 7. Okay. Now cross multiply. 7 into 1 is 7 minus 10 minus 3. Cofactor minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into M12. So M12 is minus 3 and 2 plus 1 is 3 odd. So minus 1 raised to odd is minus. So it is minus 3. Okay. See, minus 3. Minus is plus. Now third element 1 3. This element, delete row and column 1 1 2 4. So 1 1 2 4. 4 ones are 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So cofactor of A13 is minus 1 raised to 1 3. Means minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 into M13. M13 is 2. 1 plus 3 is 4. So minus 1 raised to 4. 4 is even number. So minus 1 raised to even is plus. So it is plus 2. See, plus 2. Similarly, we can find minor of A21, cofactor of 21, 2 2, 2 3, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3. Okay. Now all the cofactors we have calculated. Now matrix of cofactors. Replace each element by its cofactor. So this is A11, this is A12, 1 3. Okay. Now this is matrix of cofactors. To find adjoint, take the transpose of this matrix. Transpose means convert row to column. Okay. So minus 13 3 2 is row. Here it is column. Minus 2 1 0. 7 minus 2 1. 7 minus 2 minus 1. Okay. Adjoint. Now A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So determinant is minus 1. So 1 upon minus 1 into this adjoint. Okay. So 1 upon minus 1 is minus 1. So multiply each element of this matrix by minus 1. So A inverse is equal to C. Each element is multiplied by minus 1. So value does not change, only sign has been changed. Okay. So this is the inverse of 3 by 3 matrix by using adjoint method.